A very big hello to all my wonderful champions who are right there in front of me for this very big event. Well, do you know what exactly is this event? This is Vidya Utsav, where we are celebrating your efforts, not just your victory, but your efforts. So every single person who forgot about their sleep cycle and went ahead and went on grinding, giving their best, we appreciate you. All of you who improved from 20 percentage to 30, 30 to 40 and went on, we appreciate you. And today is your day. And along with all this thing, we are going to bring in a lot of new things which can be useful for everyone who is dreaming of getting their dreams come true. So there are a lot of things in loop, but before I go ahead with all of that, I would love to introduce all my other friends, or what you call as your teachers, onto the stage. And all of them are from different channels. So we have so many verticals, so many channels there in Karnataka. Some you might be already very well aware of, some might be new to you, but all of them work for just one mission, and that is to teach you the best. So starting off first with Ritika ma'am from Vedantu Karnataka channel, we have Vaishnavi ma'am, we have Somik sir, we have Ankit sir. All of them I call onto the stage, and make sure you give them a huge round of applause. Yeah, that's the spirit. So now I'll give over the mic to Ritika ma'am, and yes.
So everyone, namaskara, welcome to the Vedantu, and here, as Jasmine ma'am told that about the celebrations, right? So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಬಿಗ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ವೇದಾಂತು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಉತ್ಸವ್. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ದಿವಾಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಉತ್ಸವ್. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಆಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು give you a very big surprises also. So I'll hand it over to Vaishnavi ma'am, who is going to tell you people some few words related to us.
ಹಾಯ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಂಟರ್ ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ. ಸೊ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ಜಾಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ರಿತಿಕಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಕಡೆ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಬರೋದೇ KCET. ಸೊ KCET ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗೂ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ಮೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇದು ಫಲ ಕೊಡೋ ಸಮಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಬೀಜನ ಬಿತ್ತಿ ಅದು ಬೆಳೆದು ಮರ ಆಗಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಮರ ಆಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಯಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇನ್ನೇನದು ಹಣ್ಣಾಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಣ್ಣಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ? KCET ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕೈಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಪಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇನ್ನೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಹಣ್ಣಾಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು, ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದಾಂತು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅನುಕೂಲನೋ, ಯಾವುದು ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯೆಂಟೋ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ KCET. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಮೈಕ್ ಟು ಸೌಮಿಕ್ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಸೌಮಿಕ್ ಸರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೆಡಿಬಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಅವರು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓ ಟು ಯು ಸರ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸೊ this is a very big event for all of you, where we are celebrating you. We are celebrating your success. We are celebrating your efforts. So don't go anywhere. Be patient. Here we are going to reveal a very big surprise for all of you. So if you watch till the end, you will be amazed to see what is going on. And obviously in Vidya Utsav, we are celebrating your achievement along with all of your futures as well. So we are also very worried about your future. So you know that your board exams are near, then there will be other exams, KCET exam, COMEDK exams. So those exams are near, and we are thinking about everything. So together we are bringing out big surprises in this platform. And for that reason, not only Deeksha Vedantu, but also Vedantu channels, all the channels of Deeksha Vedantu and Vedantu are sharing this platform together so that we can bring you all the knowledge in English and in Kannada. So those who are suffering from a language issue, saying that, sir, we don't understand in English, please teach us some Kannada. So we are together here with all language. No, there will be no language barrier for all of you. So, and to talk about more about this, I request Ankit sir, our beloved maths teacher, to continue on this matter.
Thank you, sir. Well said. So we are here joining forces to help you out in the best way possible. Let me introduce myself. I'm your Ankit, sir. I help you with your mathematics. Okay, I hope you have seen me somewhere on our platforms. So first of all, let me talk about little bit. I know all of us have already talked about Vidya Utsav, but at Vidya Utsav today at Vedantu, this day is day of pride, joy, and to celebrate all of you, right? So we are here, our whole team is here together to share that pride, to share that joy with all of you, dear my students. Okay, so and how are we gonna do that? We're gonna do that by helping you all out, by making your life easier, in supporting you in your preparation, or whether it is boards, grade 10, grade 12, or whether it is any competitive examination, right? So we're gonna do that together. That's why we all are here. I know your time is very important. I'm gonna hand over the mic to Jasmine ma'am. So you're gonna continue from here. Thank you all.
Thank you so much for that. Okay, so my dear children, as sir told that there are so many surprises that are yet to come, but I'll start with a mini surprise that's up there. And it goes like this. Look over here, okay? 300 students will get free Vedantu courses. Oh my God, did you see the term free out there? Yes, we mean it. And for availing this, there's a catch. You have to be here till the end. So obviously we all teach you patience. In your life also you might have been taught about patience, right? So here also you have to be patient enough to get all these free Vedantu courses. But as of now, I know that you are kind of a bit disappointed, which is why, to make you a little bit happy, we have the giveaway time. So right over here in the screen, you will be able to see a QR code. You can scan that up for getting some freebies out there. And definitely that is going to make you a little bit happy. At least that's what I hope so. Yeah? So I ended up that, and now it's a time for a very, very important video. This video is not about us. This video is about you, your efforts, your each baby step towards getting success. So this is the time for showcasing the excellent results that we have got at Vedantu. And it goes like this, and we will move away so that you can have a better view at it. So if at all you thought that the results got ended up there, no, it didn't. It's still going on, and we are going to see the awesome results that Deeksha Vedantu students have brought in. So you know what, if at all we talk about JEE mains examination, the national average of the ranking is 3%. But here at Deeksha Vedantu, it is 54%, where 526 out of 980 students clear JEE main examination. And I'll just recall the person who stands at the first rank, Dhanush Kumar A at AI rank 143. And obviously the list goes on. Well, it's not just for them, it's also for everyone who participated and gave their best. Now going ahead, we have JEE Advanced, a bit more tougher. Yes, so over here, 51 out of 82 students cleared this examination, got into the best places out there. And if at all we talk about the average, it was 10 percentage. But if at all you see that, that's 62, and that's not at all a small number. And over here, the first rank was bragged by Rishikesh L. And guess the ranking. All India ranking 79. Can you imagine that? Out of 14 lakh children appearing for JEE examination, that's pretty big. Now, going ahead, we will not leave behind the medicos out there. So for NEET, 215 out of 600 got and cleared the NEET examination. If at all we see about the percentage, 7 to 36, and that's also a very big number. And the rank 1 is by Daksha D. Hegde, and the score was 608 out of 72. So all this is sort of an inspiration for everyone who is aspiring to be the best at what they are doing. Okay, now the list goes on. We have KCET and COMEDK. Namma KCET is what I would love to call it. So over here, 1,538 out of 2,541. That is the biggest achievement out there. And if at all I go on with the list of numbers, it's endless. But still, I would say rank number 8 out of 3,10,000 students who gave KCET examination, our children, Deeksha Vedantu children, got the best ranks, state rank 8, state rank 15, 23, 30, 35, and the list goes on. Probably you might be the next. So that is what I had to tell about all of it. And I really hope that you also see this and work really hard, even in the doubt, even in the times when you feel that I cannot do it. Still have that trust on yourself, because I tell you that you can absolutely do it. Now, obviously, there is a thing that might be going on in your head, and that is, okay, but how did Deeksha Vedantu evolve? So there is a small video that is up here, and we would really love to show you that. Yes, ma'am? Yes. So we shall move away, and you can definitely get a better view of that then. Now, we come towards the end, but before I go to that, I want to invite all the teachers who are up there in our family, all my dear friends. Can you all come onto the stage? Let's give a huge round of applause for every other teacher. Probably a lot of your favorite teachers.
Also, lots of hearts.
Yes, yes. Lots of your favorite teachers might be right up over here. You know them, they also know you, and they really, really love you, right? So, my dear children, just to summarize whatever we have spoken over here, there is YouTube channels, there are, Vedantu Prime courses, there is Vedantu Pro courses out there, there is Deeksha Vedantu, lot of things. But all of them have just one aim, and that is to make sure that you get the personal level of attention, and also that you give your best. And we make sure that we do that. Yes, teachers? Yes, definitely. So, we promised you one very important thing, right, Ritika ma'am?
Yes, we had promised from starting itself.
Yes.
So all are excited right now for that.
Yes.
So let's give them.
Yeah,
Prize.
so since you guys were waiting for this, I'll go ahead, and this time is for the mega giveaway for 300 free prime courses out there. Yes, so on a count of 3, make sure everyone, there will be a QR code. You can just scan it up and make the best use of it.
Don't miss it fast.
Yes, do it fast. And my dear children, wishing you all the love. Thank you so much for watching this video until this particular point. Lots and lots of love from all our wonderful teachers out there. Thank you.
So much.